Microorganisms are too small in size. They cannot be seen through naked eye. These organisms can be seen only with the help of microscope. The study of microorganisms is known as microbiology. Microorganisms can be studied under 5 categories. They are virus, bacteria, fungi, algae, and protozoa. Virus is a tiny particle made up of genetic material and protein. They are intermediate between living and non-living things. The study of virus is called virology. Viruses are in different shapes. They are complex, example bacteriophage; spherical, example influenza; helical, example tobacco mosaic virus. Bacteria are single-celled prokaryotes. Bacteria are grouped under the kingdom Monera. The study of bacteria is called bacteriology. A bacterium has an outer covering known as the cell wall. The nuclear material is represented by a nucleoid without nuclear membrane. An extra chromosomal DNA called plasmid is present in the cytoplasm. There are 4 types of bacteria based on its shape. They are Coccus, Bacillus, Vibrio, and Spirillum. Bacteria are classified according to the number and arrangement of flagella. They are monotrichous, single flagella at one end; lopotrichous, tuft of flagella at one end; amphitrichous, tuft of flagella at both ends; peritrichous, flagella are all around the cell; atrichous, they are without any flagella. Fungi are group of eukaryotic organisms that lack chlorophyll. They may be either unicellular, example yeast, or multicellular, example mushroom. Study of fungi is called mycology. Algae are very simple plant-like eukaryotic organisms. Algae are found in moist habitats. Algae are rich in chlorophyll. They are autotrophic and manufacture their own food with the help of chloroplast. Algae may be unicellular microscopic, example Chlamydomonas, or multicellular and macroscopic, example Sargassum. The study of algae is called algology or phycology. Protozoa. A protozoan is a single-celled prokaryote. They are included under the kingdom Protista. The study of protozoa is called protozoology. They are found in ponds, ocean, in moist soil, and in the cells and tissues of plants and animals, causing diseases. The protozoans are in different types. They are ciliates, example Paramecium; flagellates, example Euglena; pseudopods, example Amoeba; sporozoans, example Plasmodium.